Hey guys, I'm John Pershurin with the Affiliate Marketing Cookbook. Today I'm going to answer the question, what is ClickFunnels? I'm also going to give you 9 different ways that ClickFunnels will save you time and money, and I'm also going to give you 7 different ways that you can make money with ClickFunnels. So I hear a lot of people asking, what is a ClickFunnel? It's just ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is a software that's used for building sales funnels. Now, I'll get a little bit more into sales funnels and how to build them in a different video. But for now, let me just get into what ClickFunnels actually is. All right, so at its core, ClickFunnels is a software, an online tool that is used for building high converting websites and sales funnels. However, it does way more than that: generate leads, make sales, and everything in between. Now, in a minute, I'm going to show you 9 different ways that ClickFunnels can save you time and money. But first, let's get into the real bread and butter of what ClickFunnels actually is. So, the real bread and butter of what ClickFunnels is, what actually put ClickFunnels on the map, is sales funnels. But ClickFunnels is an all-in-one service for entrepreneurs who don't want to use multiple softwares and multiple tools in different areas. With ClickFunnels, you can use everything all in one place. Uh, Build a website, generate leads, make sales, grow your email list, or even create your brand. All right, so 9 different ways that you can save time and money with ClickFunnels. To give you a little better idea of how you can use ClickFunnels to create a more successful online business, I'm giving you 9 different features that will save you time and money. Number one, it's got an easy drag and drop visual editor. You can edit any page of your sales funnel to fit your brand image and flow the way you want it to. And you can also change any element in your funnel quickly and easily at any time. Number two is web hosting. You can get your own custom domain easily right through ClickFunnels. And that's what I do because it eliminates a lot of the middle work. Like, I don't have to validate my website or whatever, and they do all that stuff. And it can be a little bit more expensive depending on the website than, say, GoDaddy or Namecheap or whatever you can use. But in my opinion, it's 100% worth it. Number three is high converting themes and templates. Now, they have a ton of pre made sales funnel templates, and they have all been tested and proven to convert. All you have to do is pick one and customize it to your needs. They also have a complete library of user created sales funnel templates. Number four is split testing. With just a few simple clicks, you can create a variable version of your sales pages to see which one converts best. And number five is easy to implement sales funnels. Once you've chosen a sales funnel, customized it to your needs and your business, you can then link it to your custom domain and launch your funnel. It's as simple as that. Number six is conversion tracking. You can track all of the conversions on your funnels with mission critical metrics. Number seven is an email autoresponder. With the platinum package of ClickFunnels, you can actually manage all of your emails, follow up emails, and everything right through ClickFunnels. Number eight is membership site. You can actually create a membership site straight through ClickFunnels and charge people a monthly fee to be on your membership site to create monthly recurring income for you and your business. And number nine is a shopping cart. You can put a shopping cart right into your sales page for all of your e-commerce needs. Okay, so as I promised, here are 7 different ways that you can make money with ClickFunnels. Number one, e-commerce. Build an online store or grow an existing store. ClickFunnels actually integrates with most of the popular drop shipping suppliers. Number two, information products. Sell digital courses or other online products. It's extremely scalable with low overhead, and that means more money in your pocket with less work. Number three is freelance or build an agency. Sell your services or build an agency to work directly with clients without having to hire a bunch of people to help you. That'll save you a lot of money in the long run while you actually build your business. Number four is coaching or consulting. People will pay for your expertise, whether it's how to build a business or weight loss or even relationship advice. Number five, network marketing. If you work with the right companies and have the right strategy, you can make a lot of money online. Six is affiliate marketing. Sell somebody else's product and make a commission. I explain more of that on my What is Affiliate Marketing video. And number seven, B2B lead gen. Attract the right people to schedule a call or give you their contact information. So now, who is ClickFunnels for? Well, ClickFunnels is for the ambitious dad who wants to leave their 9 to 5, or the stay-at-home mom who wants to make their own business. It's for the college grad who wants to make more money after they graduate. It's for the crazy entrepreneur types who want to make an impact and change their lives and the lives of others. Overall, it's really for the ordinary person who wants to do extraordinary things. So, is ClickFunnels right for you? Well, now that you have a better understanding of what ClickFunnels is and how it will benefit your business, is ClickFunnels right for you? ClickFunnels has helped over 10,000 people just like you build businesses online, and hundreds of those people have gone on to win the Two Comma Club Award, which is they've built a business that has gotten over $1 million in sales. So you, a driven entrepreneur, combined with a proven method, ClickFunnels, provides results. Try ClickFunnels out for yourself. I will leave you a link in the description for a free 14-day trial. If you are one of those people who really wants to figure out how to build your own coaching or consulting program or agency, there's a program called the One Funnel Away Challenge, which is a 30-day challenge which shows you how to go from zero to exactly what I just said. So I will also leave a link for that in the description. Yes, guys, these are affiliate links, but these are going to help me build this channel and provide you with more value. So like and subscribe to my channel. Join my Facebook group, the Affiliate Marketing Cookbook. I'll leave that link below as well. Thank you for watching, and thank you for all your support. I'll see you guys in the next video.